আউযুবিল্লাহি বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। হিন্দু ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই ও বোনদের প্রতি আদাব। স্নেহের ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই ও বোনেরা, তোমরা যে যেখানে আছো, যেভাবেই আছো, অনলাইন ক্লাসের শুরুতেই তোমাদেরকে সুস্বাগতম। At the very beginning of my opening class today, I would like to greet with the wholehearted welcome to you. Dear student, you all know that we are passing a very crucial moment. This crucial moment is prevailed not only in Bangladesh but also across the whole world. So, to have benefit from the class, we have arranged online system so that you can have the benefit, so that you can have the class, so that you can continue your study with the help of our online lecture. I, at the very opening, would like to introduce myself with you. Yeah, I'm Mohammad Ubaidur Rahman, a lecturer in English, Pagla School and College. Dear student, I will come across with you in online class with my subject English. You know, English is a very important subject. Not only that, it is a difficult one at the same time. It is not very difficult as you thought, as you have taken it very seriously. So, you have to take it very easily. I am going to say something about this. You know, English is an international language. This international language is very important for us as we are the inhabitants of a global village. This global village has made our whole world very small, very near. As a result, we can communicate with each other very closely, very timely, very quickly, very shortly. So we can know what is happening near and far away of our world. English is the subject that can help us know the happening across the world. So, global village, the idea can be shared with the help of English language. As a result, we will be able to know the whole world. Now, English is very important for us. Why? To communicate with the whole world, to have the better future or better career, to know the people, the country, the problem of our present world. English is the way that can help us very easily and very quickly. It is a very dependable way for us. So, for our future, it is known to all, or it must be learned by us very shortly and very timely. You know, there are four skills in learning English. First, speaking English, speaking English, speaking, four skills: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. These four four skills very important. It's very important to learn English. Among these four skills, reading and writing, these two skills are more important than other two skills. As our examination are held on the basis of reading skill and writing skill. So, reading and writing skill are more and more important for us. If we learn these skills, what should we do? We have to learn vocabulary, other things that guide us these skills. Vocabulary. Then another thing that helps it, that is grammar. Vocabulary and grammar can directly and indirectly help us in reading and writing skill. Remember this. So, in my opening class, I want to suggest you to learn these skills and vocabulary and grammar. Not only that, in reaching or to reach or in order to reach in vocabulary, we should maintain a diary. This diary should be maintained daily. In this diary, we will note down the very important and unknown words in English. Then we will learn this by heart and we will practice this in our practical life, in our class, in our home, with the friends and so on. It will be directly helpful for us. And when we will use it in sentence, we will try to use grammar or grammatical rule. As a result, our hindrance or our lacking will be removed gradually, inshallah. Okay, in my lecture today, I would like to draw your attention in my first paper. In English, in my first paper, there are several units. Unit 1 to 15. In my class, I will deliver my lecture on different units in different days, in different lectures, and I will give you my home task daily. Whenever I deliver my lecture before you, giving and taking will be my method. I'll give you home task and you will do it at home seriously, and I will not be able to take it physically from you as it is our online class, but I hold a confidence for you that you are so much conscious being a college student, so you will learn these at home and I will share my home tasks gradually and you will change your duty gradually, you will do this gradually. Regular maintaining or regularity should be maintained daily. As a result, you will have the better benefit from my class. My today's lecture will help you learning these skills with the importance of vocabulary, grammar, and at the same time you will learn by another home task, first and foremost home task that I am going to mention before you, my English textbook. The first unit is Nelson Mandela from apartheid fighter to president. First unit is Nelson Mandela First lesson, Nelson Mandela, from apathy fighter to president. People, the name of my this unit is People of or Institutes Making History. People or Institute Making History. There are a lot of people, lot of events, lot of facts in our society, in our life, in our practical life. All people cannot make history. Some people are extraordinary, some people are very brilliant, some people are making or doing something that can build a history of a country, of a society. Our today's first unit is People or Institute Making History. You know, history can give us some teaching. These teachings are very helpful for our practical life. So we will have teaching from this story, from the history of these people. Similarly, our first unit and first lesson provides us some people with their history that can be mentionable, that can be taught by us for our better future, for our practical life. The first one is Nelson Mandela, a apartheid fighter to president. He is a person who was the fighter of apartheid. In my next lecture, I will deliver it about Nelson Mandela, Unit 1, Lesson 1. I will say something on the history or on the importance or on the summary of this lesson. Then we will go through the text, what has been described in the text. Some salient features, some important feature we will be discussed in the class, and I will do it. Your home task is, you will learn this lesson. You will learn this lesson at home. Whenever you will learn, you will maintain a diary. In that diary, you will note down the important words, that is known as vocabulary, and you will try to understand the passage, what has been delivered, what has been offered for you, and what can be important for us in this lecture or from this lesson. We will try to have it, my dear student. Now let me conclude here. Our speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill and listening skill. Gradually I will lecture and help you. This lecture will be held, this writing and reading skill will be held by vocabulary and grammar. So you will maintain a diary daily. Our home tasks I have already mentioned. In my next lecture I will give it. So try to have the textbook first as quick as possible and do this at home. In my next lecture, I hope I will meet you and you will enjoy my class and you will be with me. For this, be patient, be laborious, be helpful, be industrious, and bless for me, I also bless for you, and prepare yourself for your better career, for your better future. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.